Yep, going.
Alright, this is a Ruger 1022 and a 22 reactive target.
Holy shit, that was even more.
They had warned me about these.
Wow.
It's
Holy
much
shit.
more sensitive, they said. Jesus Christ.
You pissed the cow off.
Across the fence.
They do cost a little bit more.
You want it to keep going?
The aluminum powders. You're still recording?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Waterproof camera.
Woo!
They warned me about these, and they are much more powerful. That was just a tiny little can, like half the size of a little Nutella jar. There's no stump. That was just it was pretty rotten, but still, it just took it apart completely. I don't think all of it went off. It sounded kind of lazy. That's one chunk left.
There was a target that was on the box that's now over the fence.
Yeah, it moved that pretty well. I don't see any other pieces of that thing.
I don't either. I think it's pretty much...
Get over there and get that junk, or not.
Yeah. I think it's pretty much gone.
Well, there's a few more pieces. Rednecks be proud.